Hi everyone, welcome to this gala networking dinner.
Thank you all. Thanks for coming. Enjoy your evening, and I wish you good luck for the next few days. Good luck, guys.
Hi, I'm Lewis from MMS.
This is Carrie from Xiamen Eastern Ribbon and Lace Corporation Limited.
Hi, I'm Rasika Sampath. I'm from Art Mill Manufacturing.
Hi everyone, I'm Olivia from China.
So we design machines that wrap the buttons to prevent the button from falling off the garment, which has many positive reasons, including quality and environmental reasons to prevent waste in the clothing industry.
We provide lace and embroidery lace fabric.
We are mainly manufacturing machineries for bonding and innovative garments, technical garments.
We are a screen printing chemical manufacturer in Guangdong province.
I can see the market in Sri Lanka is very exciting. Over the past 3 days at the exhibition, it has been so busy and we've met so many different people and from different companies. Been doing work for maybe 20 years in Sri Lanka, but I can see it's still on the rise, and I'm very excited to be part of it and come to Sri Lanka more and more.
People here are very, very kind and very professional. They are reliable and trustable.
As a Sri Lankan, we have technology, we have good knowledge and experience in bonding and seam sealing garments. So I think better to go with technical garments and value-added products.
Last year, this market is not too good as the whole economical situation is not too well. But nowadays, many customers give us feedback. They think the market is recovering, which we have great business in New Year.